Gigabyte was founded in 1986 in Taiwan by 5 fellow students. At that time it was a very small company, and its founders had to work hard to make the company what it is now. Initially, the company was engaged only in the development of boards, ordering production from other companies, and then, step by step, began to develop its own production facilities. In February 2004, Gigabyte Communications Inc. (GBC) was founded, which is part of the Gygabyte Group. Gigabyte Communications has been producing phones, communicators and smartphones under the GSmart brand since 2006. In June 2015, the company announced its decision to withdraw from the smartphone market. The latest models of Gigabyte smartphones were released in the third quarter of 2016. In this video, we will show you evolution by the Gigabyte phone from 2005 to 2016. 2005. GX5, first phone from Gigabyte Communications. Doraemon is a slider with Doraemon theme. Kororo is a slider with Kororo theme. Snoopy is a slider in the style of Snoopy. Jiri Jiri 0. The model is designed for the Taiwanese market and is aimed primarily at women. Barbie is a slider, also aimed at young girls, both in color and with a calorie counter feature. Gcam. Smart i128 is the world's first communicator with a built-in analog TV tuner. Smart 2005. 2006. GeoYo has a fairly rich GPS functionality. i300. i120. (2007). T600 is the world's first communicator with a built-in digital TV tuner. Q60. i350. (2008). MW700. MS800. MW998. MS820. MS808. O2 XDA denim. (2009). MW720. MW702. MS802. S1200. (2010). S1205. G1305 Boston. G1317 Rolla. (2011). G1310. G1315 Skate. M3447. G1342 Houston. G1345 Sunfish. (2012). G1355. G1362, GS202, Orange Santa Clara, Intel-based Android phone. Orange San Diego, M1420, M1320, (2013) Rio R1, Maya M1, Simba SX1, Sierra S1, Maya M1 version 2, Tuku T2, Akue 1, Roma R2, Alto A2, Guru G1, (2014) Ray R3, Saga S3, T4, Mika M2, RDA3, T4 Lite Edition, Guru White Edition, GX2, Mika M3, Acta A4, GSmart F180, GSmart F280, (2015) Orange Fova, Roma RX, Mika MX, Guru GX, Classic, Essence, Classic Light, Essence 4, (2016) Classic Pro, Classic Joy, Elite, Classic LTE,
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.